First, go to the lmstudio.ai download page. And click the Download LM Studio for Windows button. Wait for the download to finish. And click Open File. The rest is just a standard installation process. Here, you can decide whether you want LM Studio to run automatically on system startup. I recommend leaving this unchecked unless you plan to use it constantly. Then, click Continue. Once the setup is finished, let's download our first AI model. On the left panel, click on the Model Search section. From here, you can choose any model you like or use the search bar to find more options. For this test, let's search for Qwen 3, as it's a great lightweight model. You'll see several options pop up. Usually, the Q4_K_M quantization offers the best balance between quality and file size. Pick your quantization model and click the Download button. Once the download is finished, you can see all your downloaded models in the My Models section. You can also tweak your advanced settings here if needed. Now, let's click the Use in New Chat button and wait for it to load completely. Boom! The model loaded successfully. Now you're ready to chat with the model or ask it any question. Let's start by saying hi. As you can see, the model responded right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.